Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete Google Chat message on your Android phone. So first thing to do, you can download and install Google Chat, and after that you can try to open your Google Chat. But if you already had, try to update your Google Chat. So in order to delete a conversation, delete Google Chat, you cannot just one tap the person. For example, this one, there is no way how you can delete this from outside. So all you have to do, just go to the inside chat room and tap on the profile of your like your friend or anyone that you chat. Just tap on your profile like this. Here you can try to delete history, like history is on, now history is off. Message sent now are deleted in 24 hours. And also, if you tap leave, you can leave the group, like delete all the chat from your, you can delete the chat from your Google Chats. And also you can delete from here. You just trash icon with the red text or pink text, delete space, and all of this content for all members. So if you're in the group, you can try to delete. Here, if you turn history off, as you can see, messages with history off are deleted after 24 hours. And let's try again with different person. Tap the person and turn off history. And of course, you can completely remove your chat by tap on delete conversation. So messages with history off are deleted after 24 hours again. So you cannot delete chat like this. If you hold the chat, you can edit or just mark as unread. There is no way how you can delete from the chat itself. All you have to do is just tap the person at the top of your screen and delete all conversation and turn off history. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.